Mitosis by H.B. Group. What is mitosis? Mitosis is the process that makes sure that each new cell has a nucleus and a complete set of instructions. Mitosis usually takes a couple of hours. During interphase, the chromosomes duplicate. It is the time where the cell spends most of its time. It isn't considered as a phase of mitosis, but what happens during the prophase, the chromosomes shorten and thicken. The nuclear membrane begins to disappear, and the centrioles make proteins called spindle fibers. During the metaphase, the double-stranded chromosomes light up in the center of the cell. Spindle fibers attach them onto the chromosomes. The nuclear membrane has disappeared. In anaphase, the chromosomes are split into half, and each half moves to opposite poles. Spindle fibers are shortening from pulling in each half. Centromere has broken. In telophase, the chromosomes appear as thread-like chromatin. The nuclear membrane begins to form around each complete set of chromosomes. Spindle fibers have disappeared. Cytokinesis is the actual dividing of the cell. The cytoplasm divides and the cell membrane pinches in towards the center of the cell. Just remember the order of mitosis as PMAT. P. Prophase, M. Metaphase, A. Anaphase, and T. Telophase.